Welcome to Glamp. We're John and Sherry. We're here at the Airstream display and we're going to tour the 2022 Flying Cloud 27 FPQ. First, we'll give you the tour, then we'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and then we'll give you a build quality rating. Let's do this. This particular model is 28 feet long, it's Sleep 6, and it's 6,100 pounds. And the MSRP is $128,125. Alright, we're out here in front of the Airstream, and this panoramic window that we have here, I noticed that the Airstreams have this protective shield for when you're in travel to protect the actual window, which that is a pretty cool feature. And then here you have, well, it's a power jack basically, it helps level your coach, your propane. And then you have additional storage out front here. Check that out. And then I guess these are additional shields here on the windows. But that's pretty nice. I like how sleek this looks. And then as we go back, you see on the outside we have your water heater. And we have additional outlets. And then we head to the door. The main entrance is here, very close to the rear. The awning stretches the full length of the vehicle. It's pretty big. Look at the back. Look at this.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Check out this door. I know this is one of your favorite features, Sherry.
I love the styling of this.
And then we come around. Here is where all of your power and water happens to be, which of course is on the driver's side of the vehicle, which is no driver, but you have, is this 30 or 50? It looks like a 50. We have your cable TV, your water inlet, your outdoor shower, and your freshwater fill. And then we come around to the front again. Let's check out the inside. Now, this unit has a rear entry, which is interesting, and the dining area is all the way here at the rear. And also, have you noticed, Sherry? The back opens up.
Oh, that's really nice. You know how much I like it when you can bring the outdoors inside.
I know, there's a big screen there. That is so cool. Above this, we have storage. Look at this. And you have what looks like a DVD player. Yes, it's a Blu-ray player right here, along with a USB connector. This is great. Look at that. A little space of your dinette.
Let me get the space inside the other cabinet.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, it's
Perfect.
pass-through too. I didn't notice that.
That's what you have me for, John.
I know. I need
you miss.
to get all those little details.
It's a tough job.
It is. There's so much going on in these rigs. Sometimes I miss some of the features.
Just keeping track of you is a tough job, John.
You know what? Now on the other side here we have, look at this. We have these high windows over top of these very large windows. You're getting a lot of light in here. This is really amazing. And this is the feature I noticed when we were walking by and I said we have to go in this one. Look at this. You have a dedicated workspace right here. Look at that.
You want to sit there, John, and see how comfortable it is?
Sure, I have to undo this little securing. Whoops.
Oh, that's great. So there's a strap that secures it to the desk for when you're in motion?
Yes, and I have to learn how to use it. There we go.
Can I strap you to the desk when I just need you to sit and work and not be distracted?
No. And look at this. It's a sit-stand desk. Look at that. It goes up and goes down. This is
Now
great.
that is awesome. Because
This,
ergonomics are so important when you're working.
see, it goes down to the level of this counter. So you can have it down there or you can have it up high. Also, check it out. USB chargers and 110 outlets. Right there. And a place to put your cables through, it looks like. Yes. This cap comes out and you can put all your computer cables through there.
John, you know what else I like about this?
What?
Is that not only can you see that TV from the dinette booth that's right behind me,
Yeah.
but I bet you could hook up your computer to that TV
I'm almost certain
and
you
use it
could.
as a monitor. Why don't you see how it pulls out?
Oh, look at this. It's right there.
What a great design.
let's take a look at the rest. Now behind me, we have the kitchen area. Let's take a look at the sink. I like this design. It's very sleek and modern, and it's deep. I do like that. And I think this feels like it could be a cutting board. Look at that. And we have, look, this is what I like. Look at the counter space between the sink and the stove.
That's a lot of room for prep.
Look at this. This is rare in some of the larger Class A's I've seen.
John, what's under the sink?
Well, let's see. Ah, some very deep storage. And we have 4 drawers between the sink and the stove. Look at that. This one has the utensil tray already. These are really nicely finished.
Are they soft close?
Well, let's see. No.
Are they finished or are they actually finished inside?
Yeah,
or?
look. They're smooth. Very smooth in here. Yes, they're completely finished. Now we have the stove. Look at this. Look at this. You don't see this in an RV.
I don't think I've seen that in any of the ones that we've looked at.
No.
Any of the campers at all.
That is so nice. An exhaust fan. That's a pretty one. Right above your 3-burner Furrion stove. Propane, of course. And your convection microwave. Now, let's see what's below here. Oh, look at that. It's not very deep, but it's easy to get to. You can store some small things there. Let's look above our kitchen area. We have 2 large cabinets here. These are deeper. All right, let's look behind me here in the kitchen. And we have this nice refrigerator freezer. You know, this almost looks like a 12 volt, but I can't be sure. Look at that. Nice. Above the refrigerator, we have more storage. And below, we have more storage. Now we'll move back into this small hallway here. And we have another cabinet here with the... this is deep. This is very deep. Whoops, I guess I have to press the button there. Oh, look at that. How is that for a pantry?
It's really nice.
I like that locking button. That's nice. And then, let's open this and see what's in here. Oh, check out that closet. You know, I'm starting to like Airstream. This is pretty cool. And it has a curtain here for separation between your kitchen dining area and your bedroom area. Let's check out the bath. Now, this is a split bath. We have a shower on this side. And now we'll have to switch places to see the toilet.
Alrighty.
All right, come on in. And here's the toilet area.
So it's kind of tight, so I'll talk you through this, guys. You've got your fan up top. You got some pretty cool looking lights above your mirror. And then there's a shelf below that mirror, which brings us down to your sink. And looks like lots and lots of cabinet space here. That kind of hurt.
Don't hurt yourself.
Too late. Should have warned me beforehand. And, oh, this is interesting. There's a control. This is interesting. There's a control for your water heater just above the sink, and it looks like you can set a temperature.
That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Does that mirror open?
Why don't you see?
I think it does. Yeah.
Oh, this This bathroom has a lot of space,
Look at
especially
that.
for a unit of this size. That's pretty cool.
That's a big cabinet.
Yes, it is.
And I noticed these hinges. Look at them. Floor to ceiling.
Very nice. And John, did you look up?
Another skylight.
Yep, let's take a look at that.
We have two. We have one here in the hallway and one over here in the office area.
Nice and bright. That's one thing about Airstreams, that they let a lot of light in.
They do.
Yes.
Now, let's take a look at the bedroom.
We have to switch places.
Again?
Yeah.
No, no. Stop doing that.
It's too much fun not to. Why don't you go? Can you go on the other side of the bed?
Yeah, I'll go over here.
Okay, go ahead.
This is nice. This is a nice look at all the room you have next to the bed. Look at this. This is plenty of space to get up and, you know, put on your socks, shoes, whatever. And look at the large windows you have on each side.
So this is your emergency exit here,
Yes, this one.
right? But it's a nice big window. And then John, you want to come closer to me?
Yeah, what?
Look at that. Could you imagine that wonderful view and waking up to a view of the lake through all of these windows?
Lots of windows, and
That is fantastic.
This is a big wraparound window, isn't it? Yes.
And John, do you want to look at the storage space above the bed?
Ah, yes. Oh, this is pretty deep. Look at this.
Lots of room.
Plenty of space for whatever you might want in here.
I'm really loving this.
This is really nice. And look, the nightstands are big.
I can't see you in the way. Now, is that a drawer?
This is a storage area.
Okay, let me see. Oh, okay.
Has some pillows in there. You get more pillows than you already have.
That's a lot of pillows, John.
You have one 10 outlet next to it. And the same on the other side. So you have plenty of space if you have a CPAP, or even if you want to charge items like your phone and watches, whatever. Plenty of room for that.
So, John, we haven't put your buns on anything today.
No, we
Hey,
haven't.
folks, we're going to take a quick stop break because they're playing the national anthem, and you know what we have to do.
Yes.
Okay, the national anthem is over. We can get back to filming again. So, John, you haven't put your buns on anything.
Ooh.
You knew what I was going to say, didn't you?
This is kind of comfy.
Don't start jumping on the bed, John.
Well, it's not that bouncy. It's not springy.
Lie back and
But it's
how's it
comfy.
feel?
Let's see. I got this big pack. Let me move that.
Well, you should be used to carrying big packs.
You know what?
Hey, cover your belly.
Hey! Stop looking at my belly.
Comfy?
This is actually.
Yeah, you like it?
Even the pillows are soft.
You know what I think that I would have preferred?
What?
If they put the skylight above the bed.
You know, it would be nice to have a skylight in here.
Yeah, like a little stargazing
Yeah.
area.
That would be nice. But I guess they figured they make up for it with all the wraparound
Yeah.
windows here.
Okay.
Oh, and the skylights do have covers if you get tired of the light. You have covers on them.
So, John, do you have a pet peeve about this unit?
Oh my gosh. I don't know, because it seems very well built. I mean, I'm looking at some of the craftsmanship in here. They finished all the interior drawers. There's no raw wood anywhere.
John, this is not a pet peeve.
I'm working on it. I'm trying to hate something in here. No.
All right, well, why don't you take a minute and go try to find something that you can hate, and I will do my favorite feature.
See, this is too easy for you.
So my favorite feature in this unit, and it is kind of easy, is that I love all the windows. Oh my gosh, there is so much light in here, and you wouldn't expect it from walking around the outside, but inside here, I mean, and of course, you know, we're inside of a building, so you're not going to see it as much, but I can just tell from all of the large windows that it's like bringing the outside inside, and then add to that the fact that you have a screen in the back by the dining booth. You can't beat that. So that is my favorite feature. Let's see if John has figured out what his pet peeve is yet.
Well, these work well.
All right, John, what's your pet peeve? You got to come up with something. Don't tell me you don't. Have you finally found a unit where you don't have a pet peeve at all?
I really
Nothing?
can't. You know what I noticed? I only see a couple of USB chargers in here. I'm surprised the bedroom doesn't have any. There's none over here.
Okay, so is that your pet peeve? Not enough
That's
USB
about the
chargers?
only thing I see that I think they should put in a couple back there,
Okay.
you know, for the bedroom area.
You know, John, I'm trying to figure out, this is supposed to sleep 6.
Yeah, 6? Really?
Is that what it said? Is that what they said on the outside?
It did say sleep 6.
So I know that this table here folds down and becomes a bed.
Right.
So why don't you talk about that?
Apparently, that sleeping 6 reflects the basic floor plan of this model without the interior office space. Without the office space, this chair turns into a bed here that comes out, and you can sleep 2 right here, and then you have 2 back here. So you have 4 in the back and 2 in the main bed.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to give up this office space for another bed. That's,
I know. I think having 2 sleep here and having an office and 2 there, that for us that would be fine.
But it all depends on your family's needs, right?
Right. If you have a bigger family, you might want to give up the office space.
Absolutely. All right. What about build quality, John?
It seems like it is really nice. I really like this. I mean, all the drawers are finished here. Now this is...
So, John, are we going to do this? Are we going to do it?
I have one problem, and that's this.
Oh, okay.
That came...
I almost thought we were giving this a 10 out of 10.
No, this somehow it came out of the rail, so I don't know. That kind of missed the mark there.
Okay.
But other than that, I really don't see any major issues, and that could be just because people have been in and out of here pulling on stuff.
Right, and of course when you own it, you're going to take better care of it.
Right.
Okay, John, what do you want to give this?
I would easily give this a 9, perhaps a 9.5 out of 10, because I only found one problem, and I think it's because of wear and tear from the tourists.
John, I agree with you. I think this is definitely a 9.5.
I mean, the quality of the interior spaces, they finished everything inside and out.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful, and I can't find... It took us a while to find that drawer. So.
Right, it did.
And that was like some wiggling around and stuff, just trying to find something. So this is a great unit. Thank you for recommending that we review this one. And we're done with this one, and it's on to the next one.
Yeah.